Hi. Okay, I'm going to explain to you how to enroll in a group for the second assignment. This is for my students of TRAN201, that's Translation Principles and Strategies. For the second assignment, actually, it's a bit tricky here because some students wanted to work in groups, some others wanted to work in pairs, and some others wanted to work individually. So I tried to accommodate for all of those preferences, the different preferences. Now, it's very easy, really. I mean, because I received emails that, oh, it's very complicated. No, I'll show you now how to enroll in a group. This is the student preview. Actually, this is the screen you have. And what you need to do, go here to groups. Do you see groups here? The menu, I mean the left-hand side, the menu, groups, majmu'at. Click on groups. You have to do this before you go to assignments, because you cannot access the assignment if you are not in a group. Even if you wanted to work individually, still you need to enroll in one of those groups. So now, when you click on groups, you will get this screen here, assignment 2 teams. Okay. Click on view sign up sheet to join a group. When you click on it, you can select any of these groups. Actually, you have above 20 groups. I mean, actually, it's the same number of the students, because I'm not sure, probably, I mean, everyone wanted to just work individually. So I have made like 23 groups, I think, because you got 23 students. Anyway, you need first to make sure that there's no one already there in the group. So you can see a group members, none, members, none. If you see any group, I mean, if you want to work individually, of course, I mean, you can click on any of these teams as long as there's no one in the group. Now, if you wanted to join a group with other students, first you have to agree with them. Okay? You have to agree with those students, maximum 4. You're allowed to have only 4 students in a group. That's the maximum number of students. But first you have to agree with the other students that you wanted to join with in one group. You can, of course, I mean, you can tell here how many students in each group. I mean, actually, none of you already joined any of the groups, I guess, as I can see here. There's still none. But anyway, if you wanted, let's say you wanted to work individually, go to anyone, like here, Teams 11. Click on Teams 11. And of course, here I'm not a student anyway. And I don't know if I have that option here, add personal. I don't think I have the option anyway to add my name. Probably you need to work on the assignment, group assignment. Of course, I mean, yeah, if you click on that, then you will get access to the assignment itself here. So that's my name here, already added. But yeah. Okay, so I'm added to a group now, and you can access the assignment here, assignment 2. So that's it. When you access assignment 2, that will take you to the instructions of the assignment, like any other assignments, I mean, and you can access also the assignments from assignments here. But you cannot get access to the assignments if you are not in a group, because the assignment is set up for only 4 groups. Even if you want to work individually, still, I mean, you need to join a group. Okay, and you get here the due date. You have to click, I mean, to download that document because it has the instructions. And yeah, I think, and you have to submit it here when you finish as a group. I mean, you have to submit it as a group, as a team. Whether you are individual, like working individually in the group, or with other students, you have to submit only one submission for the group. It depends on which team, and of course you need to know which team you are in. Okay, anyway, I don't want to go there now. So see, I mean, there's the assignments because I'm already in a group. So, and yeah, that's it. I think it's quite easy. It's not complicated, and good luck. Yeah, okay, more information. I'll give you more information since we are already in about the assignment itself. I mean, this is the assignment here. That's the assignment. So you need to select a text. I explained this in the class. I mean, you need to select a text for your choice, but don't go for like chats or whatever. I mean, it has to be from a reliable website like a news media like BBC, Al Jazeera, Al Arabiya, CNN, or could be a novel, a story, I mean, published somewhere online. Anyway, that text depends, the length, the size of the text depends on how many students are in the group. So in this table, you can see, I mean, if it's individual work, you are alone in the group, you need to select a text of 100 words, approximately 100 words, Arabic text 100 words. And number of problems to select for the list is 3 problems, of course, with their strategies. It's explained here how you're going to list those problems, because you have to mention the problem, you have to mention the sentence or the phrase that represent that problem, you have to say how or which strategy you used in order to cope with that problem, and which translation you made at the end. I mean, after you've chosen that strategy, what was your final translation of that sentence or of that phrase? So if you are alone in that group, I mean, then you need only 3 problems with their strategies. If there are 2 students, the English text will be 120 words, Arabic text 120 words, and number of problems 4. 3 students in a group, again, you can see, I mean, 140 words for each text. Number of problems 5. If it's 4 students, the maximum 150 words, that's English text. The Arabic text 150 words, number of problems 6. Okay, and so yeah, 5 marks for the English to Arabic translation, 5 marks for Arabic to English translation, and 5 marks for the problems. Again, the problems should be 4 elements there. What is the problem? What is the sentence or phrase in the text? It has to be from either the English text or the Arabic text. The strategy that you used to cope with that problem, and the final translation of that phrase or the sentence. So 4 elements should be there in each item in the list. Okay, and the deadline is 16th November, 12 p.m. That's noon, midday. Late of missing submissions will be penalized as per regulations. You need to check the regulations on the syllabus. Submission, you need to create a Word file, add your names, add the text, the English text with its Arabic translation, the Arabic text with its English translation, and the list of problems with their strategies. Save it as PDF, okay, because sometimes we notice some issues with the Word on Blackboard. So save it as PDF and submit it on Blackboard. I think that's all. If you still have any questions, I'll meet you tomorrow and we'll talk about it. And good luck.